Hi, Jason Aylett here, and in this video today we're going to be looking at how to find course content and lesson plans, solutions to the activity sets, and to try the activities yourself in Code.org. So first you have to sign into Code.org. You can see that I'm signed in here. I know because it displays my name up here, and I'm looking at my dashboard. Um, Sometimes there's these banners that Code.org will put in here. They're not always here, but that just means that you have to scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see the class sections that you've created. I do have a lot of class sections, as I work with this curriculum a lot, but the one I'm going to be focusing on today is just this sample class. Now, to find the materials and information and everything that I need for this course, if I click on the name of the section, in this case the name is sample class, that'll show student progress and how the students in the class are going through the curriculum. The one for finding all the resources is you click on which course you've assigned. So here, this one is course D, and I'm going to click on that and it will open this up. Now this shows me the whole course overview, including what version I'm in this case it's 2017, what the name of the section is that I'm looking at, and actually even gives me an option to assign a different course here if I want to as well. I'm actually going to switch this to 2018. I would highly encourage you to use that now. It's vastly improved over the 2017 version. And now I can scroll down and see all of the activities within this course. You can see that some of the activities are unplugged activities, and that's really where the meat of Code.org lies. Teaching the unplugged activities means that all the Washington State computer science standards will be covered. These online activities kind of support the concepts in those unplugged activities. But here is where you can actually try out some of the content if you'd like to do it yourself. That's kind of neat about Code.org. So if I want to try to complete a puzzle, I can click on, say, number 2. And then if I want to, I can actually try this out by locking in the blocks and running it. After I do that, if I go back to the unit overview, so I'm going to click View Unit Overview, you may have noticed that the first one was a diamond shaped, whereas the next one is circle. The diamond shaped ones are videos, and I know when I teach Code.org I like to watch the videos together as a class. The kids will have the opportunity to watch them again on their own, but it's just a good way to start and center everybody because there's usually good instructions in those videos that the students can follow. So I'm going to go back and look at the whole overview. To find lesson plans for all of the lessons in the course, you'll notice over on the right, there's the opportunity to view lesson plans. So I can pull up the lesson plan for this unplugged activity, graph paper programming. And what I like to do when I teach these lessons is to print these off so I can have them in front of me and make notes as needed. Also, all the resources that you'll need and what the kids will need are here. So you're linked in under links, and you can usually watch a video about somebody teaching the lesson. You'll find your worksheets, any assessments that you need. Oftentimes they have a teacher video that will tell you how to prep for this or even show you a teacher that's using it. They have videos for the kids here that they can watch to support with the concepts, their worksheets, their assessments, and then the ThinkSpot journal. I think it's really important to have the kids journaling about these activities. However, I would personally recommend just using it in their science notebook instead of printing off the blackline master there. But that's where those lesson plans are. Coming back here, some of the other things that you might like to see is in these plugged lessons, the online ones, they also have lesson plans. And sometimes when the when the content gets a little more difficult, it is totally worth going through some of these things before you turn the kids loose. They can just kind of expect to see what's coming up. Just kind of do it as needed. I would check out the content a little bit and then use that if you need to. But also something that's really great is if you are stumped with the solution to one of the activities, like I'll just do number 8 here, and you need to see the solution to help a student through the problem. You can actually click on the activity and then click See a Solution, and then it will show you the completed activity so that you can support the kids with that if they're stuck. And sometimes that's just crucial in the moment. I know it can take a while to sit there and figure it out. So it's a nice way to see a solution quickly if you need to support a student who's kind of stuck with it. So that is what you'll find by clicking on that link. A lot of great resources in there. It really highly suggest kind of looking that over, looking at the unit overview, trying some puzzles yourself. They're really engaging and fun. Sometimes it's hard to even break yourself away. Um, anyway, that's kind of the nuts and bolts of that, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.